Mr. and Miss Shizzy. Of course, Samgelo did pay the lobola. Yeah, guys, Mbaliwet, who is popularly known as a TikToker and dating Samgelo Shizzy, who is a content creator, drops a bombshell that shocked almost the whole South Africa, guys. Mbali says that Samgelo broke up with her and their thing was not even real, guys. It was all done for content and to entertain the viewers. Even though their things seem so real, guys, there were red flags here and there, but we tend to forget about them because their thing was beautiful and seems so real. If you remember very well how Samgelo came about, he came about as umntana kaTira, guys, because niyambona nani ufana noTira. Sisathi samamele, when we are focusing on umntana kaTira, he came with his Thembu, guys. Thembu sakhe sani sama girlfriend for a year or for years asaphila nesithembu sakhe jiki, guys. Here's Kutuza is being introduced, guys. Who is Kutuza? Kutuza is another TikTok or content creator, guys. Is taking one of his girlfriends. Then he has to fight Kutuza. When all of us we were focusing on Kutuza and him, guys, jiki nang Umbali on this base here. Yeah, now he's in love with Umbali. Yes, guys, sonke sisikhohliwe ngesithembu. He's happy in love with Umbali. All to find out all of that was done for content, guys. Azange sibone lapha. According to Umbali, their love was not even real, guys. It was all done for the viewers and was not even in love with Samgelo because they used to sleep together, share the same bed, but they didn't do the deed, guys. Yes, Mbali confessed all of that in a podcast called Hangout, guys. Here's the clip of Mbali confessing everything, guys.
So before we talk about the Joburg drama.
Yeah.
The Joburg breakup. Akshia in a how many bedroom apartment too?
Yes.
Akshia, we won. Let's go back to KZN. When I know Samgelo, we know you from TikTok. We know you guys as the KZN power couple. Ithome kanjani indaba yenu?
Like, guys, engakusho ukuthi nje nami bengithi si powerful couple. Bengazi ke kodwa kusiyami like all along, like uSamgelo sihlangane babefikile belezithile nje impahla from uDJ Tira. So yeah,
uDJ Tira kuphi?
Ekhaya lami la bengihlala khona because kahlahle bekuyi gift eqhamuka kuTira because uTira bengipromoter iMakoya Bearings too much yabo. So yeah, so uye wa decide ukuthi uTira afike since engibonile ukuthi ngiyapromoter iMakoya Bearings, wa decide ukuthi afike, then wathumela bona kufika ngayena ke isiqo wathumela bona boSamgelo nabasebenzi bakhe baseMakoya Bearings, then inamaThaykhulu. So bafika ilona suke ngaqala ngalokumbona kuSamgelo. Ngiqala ukumbona nje wayesekade eqalile vele ekhuluma nami inbox. Encoma nje like ukuthi wow umsebenzi engwenzayo umuhle nje uyamchazana nani. Okay, fine. Then wasefika ke like uma sikhuluma efonini, guys, it was like we are dating. Ne? Angithi kuyayithiwa umuntu okuthandayo umbona ngani? Ngezenzo. So nami ke ngabona izenzo like fana indlela enza ngayo ikhombisa uthando, right? Okay, then wasengifonela ngelinye ilanga wathini asihlangane eTown. Sahlangana eTown, sabonana sashutha like abantu abadatayo. And kumina
wait, so niyahlangana eTown. Before nihlangana, you guys didn't talk about ukuthi niyajola?
No.
So niyahlangana budluku niyashoot
nje.
And then when now you are like, let me go with the flow. Ukuthi ngibona ukuthi amanzi
yebo. So ngahamba ke sahlangana sashutha kwabamnandi kwabanje, then ngaphindela ekhaya. Okay, fine. Yaqhubeka ke impilo like besiloke senza leyo nto leyo ukushutha. ngoba vele into angalele yona right now ukuthi mina ngithe uyangiuse. From there mina nganginayo leyo nto vele ukuthi uyangiuse. Kuukuthi bengifuna ukuthi ngize ngibe ne-show yokuthi ngempela uyayenza yini leyo nto leyo. Okay, umfana ke
so like him, like back then, every time you guys were together, was it always about video, pictures, content?
Yes.
Okay, so that's where it started with man.
Yes, like ngizibuza ukuthi why every time you shoot nje it's all about
it's about shooting.
But akafuni even ukuthi sihlale so2 sibe so2. Like every time close kono cameraman, every time nje close nesiphithi yabo. But isicefe uma ngimbuza ngimbheka kanje ngimbuza ukuthi kanti mina nawe kahle yini esenza akafuni ukuqhamuka avela ukuthi okay ma usenza content senze akafuni ukuvela like abe straight ukuthi no senze content sisi or what like actor njengomuntu ongithandayo and nami mina ngumuntu esifazana oyithandayo onesimilo ne uma esiyangithanda ngihambe ngixabhuzela amanye amadoda ebekhona yena ethini uyangithanda so kwakumele ukuthi nginjani ngiqoqe ngiyiphathe kahle. Okay, kwahamba ke guys kwazi kwafika kule party le yokuthi nami no ngithi yazini nami phela akwazi mfethu ngikwazi lo muntu la noba ngizizwa ngizama cause kwahamba emva kokuthi esengise ko 7 Star kwahamba waziveza njengomuntu ongithandayo ke manje yize noma besingazenza izinto zabantu abajolayo yezo imina umuntu ozowamphoqa ukuthi sizenze lezo zinto zabantu abajolayo cause nami bengisho ukuthi no azibona ngathi nomuntu asenzi like
mara how many months was it from the time nithi niyajola to
yabo mfethu ngoba bengingabali nginganakile nami izinto bezizayo
mara a couple of months
how mfethu I think it maybe besuphelile 4 months
hayibo
like pretend engazuthi yonke into right ngithule
and it's why itsini
but all along ngiyayibuza ukuthi how come ulala nobani izinto zabantu abajolayo uzenza nobani ngoba phela uthi uthanda mina and ngeke ngize ngiqabe guys lo mfana ungenza nje slim cause all along like ube actor njengomuntu ongithandayo cause of bengangithandi bengizomona ekhuluma nentombi yakhe ube kufihla lokho bengakhulumi ukuze umbone ukuthi nomukele esikoleni unwenza isilimo umuntu ubekufihla lo mhlambe nayo intombi yakhe ayijola nayo the time mhlambe yamaliswe yikona ukuthi wenze content nami and yena akafuni ukuthatha isinqumo sokuthi icontent noma intombazane yabo so I think intombazane ize ya decide lapho ukuthi ayimiyeke cause nami ngumina bengamiyeka ngeke ngize ngithanda nomuntu owenza content bavalelana endlini angikho mina like Shothe wefuna i-sexy siyenze se angase sishadile umuntu umshado because even amalobola nani it was online between yena nomngane wakhe umlo cameraman wakhe waqala indaba ukuthi uyajima kodwa udla inyama udli KFC like iqale ngicile nje lo nto leyo ngisho futhi ngithi mina imina nje like ngicela wena ngathi hamba ungithengisa iKFC kwala abe ama veg wala but now mase ngidla iKFC seniyacomplain niyakhuluma yini indaba shisa mina fanele ngidle bakhulume like baphikisana yabo abantu abazohlala baloke bephikisana ngento uhlekwa ukuthi kwenziwa ihlala isono sami ngoba ukuthi ni ngisho ukuthi angisayifuni lonto
can we have tissue please
and that's ngase ngicikile ngasafuni ngabutshela ngathi angifuni lento eninza it's not like umzimba wami lo imini uthathe isiqhumo sokuyojima sowazi ukuthi yini kumele ngenze for umzimba baqhubeka yezo until ngicikeka ngayithulela futhi yabalento aloke isho ukuthi mina ngamthuka nami ngayibamba that day vele ngangifisa ukumthuka even ngalo lo suku cause ngangimanje ngomuntu ofuna ukubukwa usamukele ofuna ukubukwa ngami ekugcineni umngane wakho athini wathi uyaxolisa ne cause kushuthena wayesebuthi ukuthi angisafuni wathi bali ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngikhuluma nje yabo ngaxolisa mfethu vele uqinisile ahlangana wahamba waye toilet wasala usamnyini wathini wathi mina ngingaxolisela amasimba nani niluna hambe ngixolisela amasimba lawa mina ngingize ngixolisele mina amasimba yes lo munye cameraman and wayesayithulele and ngangibona ukuthi uthuliswe yini wayithuliswa ukuthi umlube nosamyelo vele bayenza lento ababenza kumina bayenze kuyena bamhlanganyele bahlangane ngento kuyavuka kuba abe indoda but ukuthi senze into ekufanele siyenze cha
mara wena when you see ukuthi hayi brothers uvukile uthini yena
uthini angithi ngiyasho ukuthi uactor like umuntu ongivikelayo akafuni it's like yena angazi bafethu noma kukhona into ayaziyo mina engayazi yena ubesanda njengomuntu ongivikelayo njengisho ukuthi besikwenza mfethu kube mnandi but mase kufanele kwenzeke into ekufanele yenzeke cha
wena why did you tell me ukuthi bheka lana angifuni ukuthi ungizwele angifuni ufokol ngifuna still
like i-conversation abaningi bayibonile into abevela ngibuze yona iyonto ukuthi into ebalekile kumina ileyo ntonto
what did you say no
do you think ulona usamukele uneni girlfriend do you think mhlambe uthwele or do you think maybe utabene unendoda lala nayo
ayi mina betha angeke ngize ngiqamba manga cause ayikho into engithi mhlawumbe ngangayibona enjani ayike ngeze ngiqamba manga futhi uyena ozaziyo ukuthi yena umthetho wakhe kwenzakalani like
wena sithi uspende na isikhathi bangeke bese kumuntu akufwe ye
Yeah.
between these things as a train you mentioned
phela kwagay ngiyayicabanga cause akwazi ukuthi umuntu ungalokhuza naye ungene naye engobeni nimbathe nithintane kube nje ajikanga kuthinti kwalokho
nibe thunje kamereni
yes of course
so manje le ndaba yeni yescape was it before or after you or during
yani
yescape
yesem
yeah
hayi bisithembu into abenza ngingekho mina kaze abe nomunye umuntu osamukelo ngikhona empilweni yakhe bengingedwa
so ubona ukuthi hayi mhlambe belala nenye indoda
hayi ngeke guys ngisho njalo ukuthi mhlawumbe belala but hayi angazi mfethu angazi mhlawumbe ukuyithanda noma ukujana angazi because phela ekugcineni ugcine kuvezile ukuthi wonke umuntu ake wenza nayi content akazaza
no like yes like abafana especially uyavukelwa abafana like they are like even if it's content girl thanda my girls ngiyavukelwa so I'm just gonna
hayi khohlwa sis ngisho sengithi mina ngiyazenzela ukuthi okay ngisho ngilithathe mina lo
athi bala
athi no I get guys
like for like istima sakho like your self-esteem didn't that affect it
cha nje ungilimazile emva kokuthi aposta ama conversation ethu because mina bengikhuluma naye njengomuntu wami
okay before I posta what happened like was there a fight
like njalo ngisho bengi right ngi happy
yeah
and into bengenza ukuthi ngingabe nandaba nento zabantu abadala kakhulu it's because azengisizanga ngizenzile before ngihlangane naye ngizenzile nabantu bengitshela ukuthi ngithanda nami ngiyabathanda ngazenza izinto zabantu abadala but azingisizanga bangishiye kunjalo so ngaphandle kwaloko kwalezo zinto lezo zabantu abadala mina usamukela ungithandile wangisupporta bengithuka abantu besho yonke into but ubelo ke khona engisupporta cause even ukuthi kuze kufike esigabeni sokuthi sixabane ngizokutshela ukuthi kukhona usuku ahamba ngalo ne since phela njengomuntu wami ngikuyena endlini ne usamukelo angafuni ukuthi ngilale endlini yakhe ngiforce ngenkani mina
race. Okay.
ngiforce ngenkani that day avela hamba ebusuku ahambe ebusuku angishiye ngedwa endlini ngalala mfethu like mina ngine stress like ngizibuza because wayehambe edakiwe like ngine stress nje ukuthi mhlambe niwehlelwe inkinga la ekhona what because angisamtholi even ifone singena ku voicemail yabo ish ngize ngifonela abochomi bakhe omunye uchomi wakhe nje ngangiclose even mina naye ngimfonela semfethi yazi ngilahlekele la usamela ngimazi uhambe lana ungishila like cause bengayitshela ukuthi mfethi angangishiya mhlambe endlini indlela engimthemba ngayo bengayitshela ukuthi angangishiya endlini yabo ahambe mhlambe aye komunye umuntu sayihamba somela uthakiwe la ekhona walala owathi ngifuna umngane wakhe ngimtshela hayibo osamele uhambile la and I think ngangisamkhumbula umngane wakhe ayekeni ngimtshela ukuthi uphumele la ehamba ethi akusibani bani angathi amfonele lo athi memfonela ngitshela ukuthi ni uphumile usamngelo uhambe nentombazane ne ukukala kwami ukuthi ngize ngikhiphe igama lokuthi uyangiyuza
utshele bani yena or i-social media
ngase ngatshela yena no social media yena watshela social media uthi mina ngathi kwenzeka ngelinye ilanga after that wabuya ngekusasa ngabo 12 sizathu nje eziningi ethize nanokuthi mangabe ungasenapho kabazali yabo impilo ayifani ngeke ngize ngiyifanise nomuntu onabazali yabo since mina ngashonelwa abazali impilo ekhaya ayiphinanga.
And how old were you?
I'm 28.
No, I'm saying when they died.
Ingeke mfethu uma eshona ngangifunda uba u1 grade 3 usisi wami wayesagaqa nje akamazi nje uma ukhuliswa ugogo zaluma so yeah sakhula kutheme sengekho nogogo izinto zabanzima kakhulu so ngagcina sengiyibonela mina ngayibonela nje kwazi ukuthi ngifela la ngikhona ngengichaza kakhulu ukuthi wala
so do you think usamkele uthathe iadvantage yakho ngoba azi ukuthi awunabazali?
Yes ngakusho nalokho ukuthi because right now kube bebekhona abazali I think like mhlambe bebezongibonisa even ngiqala ngenza izinqumo zani ngihamba ngivuma amalobola angekho I think bebezongibonisa abazali bami or abantu engiclose nabo ukuthi ungayenzi lento
uqeda ukuthi amalobola angekho uchaza ukuthi so the time ethi amalobola
bekuyiplan guys bekuyiplan yakhe njalo ngisho ukuthi mina bengimsupporta njengomuntu wami usamkela bekuyiplan yakhe amalobolo ukuthi azongilobola azokwenza amalobola amanga angekho
so ukhulumile nawe akutshela ukuthi bheka baby ngifuna ukwenza ilobolo.
It's not like ukhulumile like into ayishilo ukuthi sizokwenza into ukuthi mhla ka 17 sizokwenza into nje sisi kanje like ukuthi ahlale phansi nami sivumelana ngivume ukuthi yes or no kwaba yisinqumo nje siqhamuka naye mina ngase ngithi okay fine yabo sizosenza kanjani leyo nto leyo konke kwahlelo uyena ukuthi ngizolotshelelwa phi yini
muzotshelwa bakulobola obakhongo ngobana bakhongi
kwabangani bakhe
so abomalume abangani
njani ngisho nje uplani kwabona labe lobola kubona wakhuluma nabo bakhuluma nabantu bakubo ukuthi kusho sekuzokwenziwa into nje kuzoshishwa lesi stage
because mina like I don't know le video ilobola like how was it yini what happened like just walk us through it ukuthi this video was like this when awangena
njani
bathi like
abantu bethu bayibona yonke ayikho uma ungangena ku-YouTube ikhona yonke into ukuthi what is going on. Njengoba kusuke kwenziwa kuwukuthi yena wakuplana yena konke lokho wakuhlela ukuthi kuzokwenzekaphi le underbag kubangani bakhe. Yes, it was Dlamini family but abantu engibaze ngaye
not family
abantu engibaze ngayo uSamkelo mina.
So manje wena ifamily yakho mayibayibona le ndaba lena on Facebook
Bengingenandaba because nabo bangithanda ngani.
Oh yeah.
So bengingenandaba.
Mara usisi wakho
usisam that time ubeka uphi konje. I think kuphi not that time. Bese emakhaya esanenkinga khona inkinga abe nayo ngaleso sikhathi. So bese emakhaya bekhona umzala la nami phela and umzala like uyifikele ngoba ezongisupport nje
akavumi mara uzothini.
Angithi mina makuvuma mina uzothini mangeke mina ngingenankinga umzala uzothini.
Mara wena, how did you feel at that point? Because wena emotionally you are invested vele one day you hope ukuthi uzomshada lo muntu and then lo muntu uyenza le lobola wena uyazi ukuthi le lobola ifake.
Like ngisho ukuthi ngesikhathi sayenza lento benginethemba phela ukuthi mhlawumbe umfana into ayogcina ayenzile noma mhlawumbe like even mina angikazi ngibe nalento ukuthi yena naye usengadla like umntwana engqondo bra angikholwa ukuthi usengathatha isinqumo sokuthi adlala azayofika kuleso sigaba ebe engenazi inhloso zokufika lapho. Uyangizwa lento engisho mina ngikaze ngiyitshela ukuthi njengoba edlala ngalento akanazi inhloso zokuthi azafike yabo. Even noma mhlawumbe bengibuye ngibe naloko ukuthi ingoba ayazi lento angaze mfethu ngayicela kanjani yabo mfethu bengimthemba mina uSamkelo like bekuthi noma kufika ukuthi ayi bese lento le kodwa kubuye kube naloko no yabo akwazi ukuthi angenza u1 no2 khombisa wona ukushuthi yini uyimise hlamba amandla angakobina what angazi but kushuthi into ayifisayo nayithanda mina bengingayitsheli ukuthi uyadlala. But la ngibona khona ukuthi kushuzeni ubedlala nakho kwazile ukuthi azongi-expose apha ngabantu akhiphe indaba zethu bese ixoxo sewuthuza ingaziwa abantu azozithi badla kodwa abese eshiya le ndaba yokuthi all along we were playing ubedlala ukufihlela lokho why engathi mangabe sefuna ukukhuluma iqiniso abatshela abantu ukuthi even amalobolo guys bekwamanga nje why engabatshela abantu iqiniso why esezongibeka ngazo simina ngumuntu oronke. Mina nginalo ilungelo lokuthi ngithi uyangiyuza because ngisebenzisela i-content mina ngazi lutho nge-content ngifundisa yena from now on ngiyayazi content ngifundisa uyena ukuthi kwi-content ngenziwa nje. The time mina engisondeza kuyena engathi uyangithanda nanani bengingayitsheli mina ukuthi udlala ngami cause angiyazi content angiyazi yena ukube wangitshela ekuqaleni ukuthi Mbali ngifuna senze i-content sizokwenza ngathi siyajola asithandani kodwa nginentombi yami uneyakho unomuntu wakho or wena qhubeka makusikhona into omfunayo qhubeka ujole uwazi ukuthi mina nawe hlangana ngaba nginankinga but into enginyanyisayo akangitshelanga shisa wonke amantombazane wenza njalo yena why engasho why ufuna ungitshela ukuthi wena ungafakwa emsebenzini ungatshelwanga ukuthi uzosebenza usebenze nje usebenze
Yet, Samkelo didn't sit back and relax and fold his arms, guys. He also replied on his Facebook timeline, guys. He said that they planned all of this. They planned even the lobola together, guys. And he ended up saying into engiceda amandla kakhulu kunazo zonke, guys, ukuthi what if also this is content, guys. So I don't know what's your take on this one. You can leave your comments down below. I do love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel.